Greetings all and welcome to AlgoFox. In today's video, we are going to talk about moving average AFL, or also called as a simple moving average AFL. This AFL, just like exponential moving average, comes along with a target, a stop loss and two different trading mode, one for intraday, one for positional. Also, just like EMA code, this will also be scan enabled, backtest enabled, explore enabled and fully automated, and also non-repenting in nature. This is also given to you with source code so that you can share it with your friends and family as well. This works on all time frame. Let us look at how it looks on AmiBroker and what are the backtest results. To add it on AmiBroker, click on a new blank chart, and on the new blank chart, go to formula editor and open it from your machine. In my machine, it is in the basic AFL folder with named MA crossover. I'll open it and apply it on the chart. Once I apply it on the chart, I'll close the upper empty pane, and this is how the chart looks like. I'll go to a 5 minutes time frame and go to parameters. In the parameters, I can play around with moving average 1, moving average 2. I have targets in terms of points and percentage. For now, I'll keep it, let us say 1% target, 1% stop loss. Also, I can plot moving average here. So this is how SMA looks like. This is one simple moving average and another simple moving average. When blue color line goes below red color line, there is a short signal generated. And similarly, when blue color line goes above red color line, there is a buy signal generated just like this. To check the backtest report of this AFL, simply click on the plus button, go to new analysis. In the new analysis, again, select MA crossover AFL and select range as 90 days. I'm backtesting it for last 90 days. In the setting, select say 15 minutes time frame and simply click on backtest. On backtesting, you'll get the result. It has given you, let us say, a loss of 100%. Similarly, you can play around with the parameters. If 20 and 50 is not working, you can try out maybe something like 50 and 200 or any random moving average pair that you like. You can play around with points and percentage. And you can even change the time frame. Say instead of 15 minutes, you can even change it to 5 minutes or any other time frame, and then backtest. After backtesting on 5 minutes chart with 50 and 200, now the results are profit of around 79% with a win rate of 49% and lose rate of 52%. So this way you can backtest. You can even scan and explore this AFL just like you have scanned and explored EMA and rest other AFLs. You can get this AFL along with all the other 10 AFLs in the kit at just 12,000 rupees. All these AFLs are scan enabled, explore enabled and fully automated. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next lessons. Thank you.